Time for the intro video, baby. Another weekend, Seneca Lake. Another weekend, Seneca Lake.
Did you start it already?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Another weekend.
So,
Seneca
what's
Lake.
going on this weekend?
This weekend,
Yeah.
we're at Seneca Lake. We came up here to meet with our
Friends and family?
friends and family.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
who
ma'am.
we love and love spending time with them. They came all the way from Pennsylvania,
Eastern Pennsylvania.
Eastern Pennsylvania, to spend some time with us and do what we all love to do. And they are the blame.
Why you say the blame?
The
like
blame.
that?
It's their fault that we started to do this whole mess. At least from my end, it's their the motivation, but not motivation, but they kind of like woke that part of
Inspiration.
Us. Yeah.
They inspired us.
Yeah.
They inspired
So
us.
we're here for the weekend. It is a beautiful sunny day. We got not the most amazing look for the lake because we have some RVs blocking it now, but we have an awesome spot, and we're just gonna make the most out of it.
You know what's crazy? These are, if you ever hear us talking about April and Jose, these are the ones who like really like kind of inspired us to actually get out and get a camper, because we were staying in a cabin the first time we met them, and we went sailing down a creek in inner tubes. Yeah.
So they're basically a bad.
Anyways,
they're a bad influence.
They're not a bad influence.
They're a bad influence.
Stop it.
Bad
Stop
influence.
it. But we're here at Seneca Lake this weekend, and we're gonna have a great time. And as I just looked out the window here, and I noticed our second trailer that we had was a Bullet. Keystone. We were sticking to Keystone because we had a Keystone, the very first one.
2015.
Yeah.
No, 2016 Keystone Bullet.
Yeah, but
right?
the first one was a hybrid.
2014.
Yeah. It was a
classic. It was a Keystone.
It was a Keystone.
A Keystone, a classic. Classic something. I don't know.
I can't think of it. Anyways, this weekend I'm gonna try and do something that I've never done before. I'm gonna try and entertain you guys. I'm gonna try and give you a video that really depicts what it's really like, the camping experience that we have. I'm gonna try and catch every bit of the footage that we have so that we can actually, not every bit of the footage because I'm not going to be recording the whole time, but I'm going to try and capture the full experience. I know in past videos I've actually given you guys bits and pieces. If my Bootsy here, my beloved Bootsy, would give me a chance to film and to actually record this video, I'm going to try and give you guys the full experience this weekend.
Because he's the attention hogger. He wants all the attention, as you can see.
Yeah.
And he's the baby, so.
Yeah. And the dirty baby at that. Dirty. You need a bath. But anyways, so this video, I'm gonna try and give it to you. I've never like really been a professional at this. I'm new to this. I'm new to recording videos. I'm new to the whole YouTube experience and giving it to you guys like that. But this time, I'm going to try and give you something. Okay? I'm going to try and give it to you.
I don't know what he's talking about.
I'm going to try and give him the experience.
Little bits and pieces of
No, I'm gonna give him the whole experience. The whole experience. Like as soon as we get out of here, I'm gonna go over there. I'm gonna interview them. My family. I'm gonna call this one Family and Friends Weekend. That's what this one's gonna be called. Family and Friends Weekend, because we got family and we got friends, and you're gonna hang out with them. You're gonna have a good time this weekend. Okay. We're both gonna have a good time. All of us gonna have a great time this weekend. Stay tuned. Any more? Yo, let's get this show on the road, nigga. Oops. Okay. I mean, Let's get this show on the road. All right.
Why you have it like that?
What?
You can't see if you're. I mean, you're centered. Yeah.
Am I? All right. Let's go have some fun.
Go.
I'm gonna show you all the way out there.
But you have it facing to you. You're not showing them anything but your face. Go, move. Look at fun.
Oh my gosh, you get on my damn nerves. Anybody want a wife? Rent it to you for $59.99. That's a going price. Shoot. $20 more, I'll throw the dogs in. Shit. Don't get me started. So my family is down here. They actually managed to get a couple of spots near us.
It's the trip of fantastic voyage, rolling hills, blue water, love is laughter, it's a vibe, lots of edition, babe, it's alive. Here's a trip of fantastic boy, rolling hills, blue water, in love it's laughter, it's a vibe, Locks edition, babe, it's alive. Welcome to Ohio. Trip of fantastic hills, water, in love, gardens.
Yep.
Should we get out and take a picture by it?
Yeah.
So is this their cabin or is that the
That's
trailer?
theirs up there. Yeah.
No, that's
Yeah.
That,
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yep.
oh, even their
Yeah.
camper
Demolished.
was in.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
That's theirs there.
Grand Villa.
Yep.
Grand Villa. It is.
Yeah. Right?
Moving on now.
Year round.
Oh my God. I gotta start talking to my wife. What to get with the
How you
camper.
doing?
But they look to your left. You're still one step up. Look, right
Oh
there.
my goodness.
You're good.
That's nice.
You're good.
What's that? Which one?
Over here to the right.
To the right.
Yeah, look back there. beer belly.
That's what she said. She said, "Everything you do is around water. I can't
Yeah.
swim." I was like, "Well, I can."
Yeah.
I don't know what to say. I said, "If it's warm out, of course I'm by the water."
Look at this. Oh, look at
Look
that
at this,
dog they picking
18
up.
years of...
Huh?
Huh?
Look at the dog they picking up.
Yeah.
He's a good boy.
Big dog.
We could fit right there.
Yeah.
Drop
Yeah.
our back.
Yeah.
Right over the
Have your
water.
boat right there.
Oh, that'd be beautiful.
Have your boat, your dock, right there.
Look at the water slide off the boat, bro.
Yeah, right there.
What's that?
The water
Look at
slide
the
off the
slide
boat.
off the
Oh,
boat.
wow.
Yee,
Off the
yee.
pontoon.
We need some of that.
Oh, they got swimming, like, they actually go, like, when my friends are actually here, they go over there and there's a, like, cove somewhere over that way. And they actually go back there and swim.
Well, that's fine.
You got people in behind you. They're not.
You got people behind you.
We're out. Whoa! Oh, shit. You go ahead. Don't leave. Don't leave. Just stay straight. Don't leave. All right, we made it up the hill.
Woo! I was
Nah,
sweating.
I'm going slow. These fools back here rocking the boat.
I would honestly sleep in a tent right here.
Right there, right?
Absolutely. Look, that's a beautiful. Hold on. I need to take a picture of that with the shade and the sun. Look at that. Hold on. Like, I like that. That's nice.
Beautiful. Sightseeing.
Yeah.
But hold on. I didn't get it.
I
Fred,
got it.
turn
But
around.
hold on.
Look,
I didn't get it.
Fred, turn around.
Dave,
Dave, turn around.
Yo, yo. What's up?
I got it.
Kodak moment.
Hey.
Yeah, it's gonna get cool tonight.
We're blocking your view, man. You can't have it all. You can't have it all. I'm going to stay here all night.
You
got
guys
beers.
have the
got
best
beers, man.
view.
Your shirt would match my motorcycle.
Oh, yeah. I haven't been able to wear this for a long time.
You should.
You guys have
How are
harvest?
you guys doing?
I'm good.
We're good.
Good.
First time here. This is beautiful.
Beautiful night.
Family and friends weekend. That's what it's like. Bring them out of Pennsylvania, and they have so much fun. Look at this. Say hello.
Hey, how you all doing? I'm from PA.
Welcome to Ohio.
We love it. We love it. Love this lake life.
Where's the other part?
Oh, keep going.
She didn't comment.
Back at Senecaville.
No, we were talking about it in the office.
No, left. I mean, yeah.
We're driving a tractor trailer.
Should I bring the golf cart over here?
Yeah.
It's the trip
No drugs.
It's beautiful out here. I'll be back, Ohio. Believe that.
Gotta love Ohio.
I know. I'm about to go full time. The hell was that for?
What are we doing for jobs?
Well, you can find remote jobs. You can work from home.
Right. Right.
Everybody does it. Shit, we get in Penske.
Right.
Need landlines for Penske.
We get remote.
As
I can
many.
drive truck.
Right.
I can still drive truck.
Right.
I need a job anywhere.
What happened? A bug fly in your mouth?
If I go full time, yeah, fuck you ain't what? Going full time RVing. But I'll have to upgrade my mattress and all that.
Heck.
Sneaky Fred.
What?
Look, Pappy needed his coat
Ain't
cold.
did nothing
What
to
is
nobody.
I'm gonna
What
get
is
her
what?
in touch with
Spring rolls
Kiana.
and pocket stickers.
Look at her.
I ain't
hair?
did nothing to
There's the
nobody.
pocket stickers. These are the
That's a
spring
long
rolls.
way.
What's
Good.
From here.
What?
Get her in touch with Kiana.
Oh.
Kiana has to come out of the Columbus.
I showed her pictures of Kiana. She said, "Oh, she's doing some Kardashian poses." Ain't that what she said? She said, "Ooh, she's doing Kardashian poses."
They go with pot stickers.
I just ate one. We all took one.
Fuck y'all.
You snooze, you lose, bro.
What time is it?
Time to get a fucking watch.
Vacation time. That's what time it is.
That's right.
We don't care. Vacation time don't care.
10:34.
Hey, all right.
10:34.
What time are we going for this boat?
I know we got a
8:30.
boat tomorrow.
8:30, bitches.
So,
Do you want a breakfast sandwich? Do you want sausage or bacon?
Sausage.
Do you want a tortilla or like on bread?
Tortilla.
Of course, because you're Boricua. I got you. You want salsa too?
No fun stuff.
You
She'll
said
make you one.
sausage
She'll make you
on a
one.
tortilla.
No, I thought you said no something about salsa. I said no salsa.
No. Do you want sausage or
Sausage.
bacon?
Sausage.
On or
Sausage
on a
or
tortilla.
tortilla.
That's what I said, Dodo.
Where's the phone at? Did I leave it up there?
your phone, it was on the table.
No bandejo.
Oh, here it is.
What's it again?
No bandejo.
I don't know what pendejo is.
Asshole.
Pendejo.
Where's your phone?
He's recording us.
Pelan.
You see that green camera? Look. Look.
It ain't green.
Yeah, it's green. I see it. What's up?
What's green?
His camera. He's
Oh
recording
yeah,
us.
he recording.
Oh yeah. He's gonna edit out
Just
all the
remember
bullshit.
that anything and everything you say might be used against you in a court of law.
I ain't going to jail, so cool.
Wait, can I take
I'm
a
not
shit
going
out
to
here?
court.
Hold on. I'm gonna take a shit right in front of the camera.
Jorge, no.
I mean, if it
I
becomes
mean,
viral,
Julio, no.
it'll be viral.
Why gotta be Julio?
He calls you
How do you
Julio.
deal with that being recorded all the time? Does he record you?
Huh? Him?
It's called it.
Sometimes.
Do you need pee for your bum?
Take the
You remember that?
No.
Give us some
This
buckets.
is the camping life.
Oh, yeah.
Talk shit and play games.
That's freaking Beavis and Butthead.
Yeah. She's a baby.
She's a baby.
To you, she will always be a baby.
That's right.
She'll be in her 30s. She's still going to be your baby.
It's a trip of the past.
That's how you do it nice.
Rolling hills.
You're
In love, it's laughter. It's a vibe. You're so pretty. Lots of vision, babe. It's alive.
Say hello, Jen. You haven't said hello the whole time. You're an introvert. Right. There you go. There you go. Nobody can see you. Nobody can see you. Now look at the camera. Look at the camera and say hello to Ohio. He did. He did. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I got a whole video with Dave. And Jen's just shy.
Hey,
I'm an introvert. I'm an I.
I love you, but I need a 3X shirt, so I'm going to give April that extra large.
Okay, that works.
And
I
just
got
give
you.
me an extra-
I got you.
And if you need money, let me know.
I got you.
Who's giving out t-shirts? I want a t-shirt.
I got you.
Tradition.
I
I
got
want
you.
a pink t-shirt, bitch.
I got
What is, well, okay, so I have some questions.
Mm-hmm.
All
And
right.
ask your question.
So what is the name of your channel?
Locks Edition.
Locks Edition.
Yes.
Okay. And what is it about? But it's a power.
What is it about? It's about camping. It's
About
about
camping.
us being out here having a good time, showing people what we do.
I'm laid back. What have you learned from this?
What have I learned? I'm learning all the time. Every time I make a video, I'm actually learning.
No, she said.
I'm learning how to do the videos, how to edit the videos. I'm learning how to promote my videos. I'm learning a lot. And this has been a whole learning experience the whole time. So what is Jen? So what is it?
What happened?
I have a hard time categorizing anybody as a friend because I've thought people were friends and they're fake.
Okay.
So I have associates.
Okay.
But Jen made it clear that we are friends. So
Okay.
yes, we are friends because
Okay.
even though
We're
we
not
haven't.
friends. They're family.
True.
They're family.
That is true because we're beyond best friends. Like we are
Like
family.
we
because
can take there's lulls where we don't talk for whatever.
They want to start grandkids so we can go tubing for us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
They
we're
want to
good.
start our grandkids, and they love the two grandkids.
Okay.
They love all the grandkids, but
Yeah.
the two are the ones that they watch. So
the thing is with April and Jose, like I've known them besides my brother and my mother. They know everything. You
Okay.
knew me back then too.
Right.
You knew me before the shit hit the fan.
Right. Right.
You know.
Right.
It's real.
They know these two are my history.
Okay. Okay.
They are my history.
And the legend lives on.
And so, just like family, no matter what happens or what you go through, they are always your family.
They're always there for you.
Always family.
Yes. Yes.
And so that's why I think they for me go beyond friendship.
Uh-huh.
So it's okay if she says they are honestly my only friends because I can't.
Look at my toes. They're wiggling.
I don't make friends easily,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't get rid of friends easily
Right.
either.
I don't
Right.
keep them easily.
So that's why we're here.
They come with us for our anniversary.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Frank came with our anniversary.
And we went down the slip and slide last week.
Yeah,
More than once. More than once.
We got video.
BYOP party. Bring
So,
our whole pool party.
They're just
Who's a Virgo?
Is that enough? Did I talk enough?
No. Keep going. Talk all you want to. This is Locks Edition. You can do whatever you want to. It's a trip.
What are you? What are you? When's
Right.
your birthday?
Everybody say 1, 2, 3. Locks Edition. It's a
I'm a
trip.
Libra too. That's why you and we're Libras.
1, 2, 3.
Locks Edition.
It's a trip.
Life is a trip.
Might not be a good one.
Look at the caption. Put on the shit. Still enjoying yourself?
Especially today. Oh my god. It's nice being here for sure.
It is. Right. Right. What's that?
I said, why can't they get on the roof? Sasquatch dog.
It's another lock edition. Come on.
All loaded up for the weekend to kick up some dust with some good friends. When the city's too much, we just kick in a country clutch on my old country truck. Dust off my cowboy hat, leave the concrete jungle all behind.
Locks edition is the trip of fantastic voyage, rolling hills, blue water, love is laughter, it's a vibe. Locks edition, baby, it's alive.